There's this patch of land that I recently changed from being grass to being a place to grow some food. And I mean, right now it's so filled with, let's call them volunteers that I maybe don't want to have. So volunteer plants that I'm going to pull. That it actually looks like almost like the grass is back, but it's not grass. It's like dandelions and other things I can't identify. But I've been watching the robins come, and oh, it's just been so cool because they're just feeding. They're on a feeding frenzy right now. Feeding frenzy. I should say as well that I always hope that you are scribbling along beside me as we chat here. And so if you want to join me in what I'm doing, I just have a scrap piece of paper. This was used for, I think, one of our lives, and I folded it in half so I have two sides. I'm just gonna do a little scribble with some pencil crayons. Nothing fancy at all. Nothing that I think I need to put up on my website to sell to someone. Just play. I'm just having some fun, trying different colors that I feel drawn to, whether I think they go together or not. And I invite you to join me. I'm very color focused. You might be very shape or line focused. Anything you feel drawn to, go for it. Anyway, these robins are bringing me so much joy because they're just so hippity hoppity, so worm loving, and there are just so many worms in this bed that they're having a feast, and there's a nest in a tree nearby, and they're feeding their babies, and it's just a hoot to watch. I just very much enjoy it. And I think that I'm noticing it especially because it's right beside the driveway. So every time I pull in with the car, I am noticing these little robins. What are you noticing at this time of year where you are? It's spring here, so robins and worms are a big noticing. And it's funny because I actually, a number of years ago, changed my alarm to a robin call. My alarm in the morning. I haven't been using an alarm in the morning for quite some time. But I did, when I was using it more regularly, I changed it to a robin call so it would feel like the birds were waking me up in the morning. At least that was my thought. I thought maybe if it's the birds that are waking me up in the morning all the time, I won't get this like annoyed feeling. And yeah, anyway. So now it's so funny because the robin call makes me feel like I need to do something or be somewhere because it was my alarm. So the birds are chirping outside the window, the robins are chirping outside the window, and I feel like I've got something to do. It makes me laugh. I have no idea where this little stick figure came from, but I guess I drew this and it felt like a face. Let's see, put some eyes. The hair that I'm putting on, I felt like I had to put it on, and now I'm unhappy that I put it on. That is a lesson. Some blue in here. Is anything coming out in your scribbles, or is it just a bunch of gibberish? I like both. I'm just curious what you're doing. What's coming out for you? Okay, I'm just finishing up here. If you'd like to, I think that's done for today. If you'd like to keep creating with me, then yeah, click on this video right here, and we can keep creating side by side. Otherwise, I'll be back again tomorrow. So come see me, come scribble with me. I'll see you then. Bye.